I refer to data revealing that whooping cough cases are surging in New South Wales, reaching an 8-year high, and I ask, 1, how many cases of whooping cough have presented at Western Australian hospitals this year to date? And 2, how many of those cases were by children under the age of 4?
Parliamentary Secretary for Health.
President, I thank the honourable member for some notice of the question. The following answer has been provided by the Minister for Health. 1, 10 have been hospitalised. 2, 5.